Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I just wanted to show you guys the winter storm Orlena 2021. Orlena dumped more than 2 feet of snow. This was the first snow of 2021. Orlena was the first snowstorm in 5 years to bring this much of snowfall. Enjoy. The storm continued for at least 48 hours, and you can see how much of snow it got accumulated. We got more than 2 feet. You can see that. This time the cleaning was a bit hard though. You can see the snow got accumulated and we had to clean in different stages because the snow continued. This was they said 48 hours, so we cleaned it the first day. I mean like after 12 hours we cleaned that night. Because we know it's going to come more later in the night and next day morning through night, but we had to clean it, otherwise it is going to be difficult. The cleaning was, of course, it was a challenge. My husband, he did a really good job. And that was a bit hard though. I did help him too. I know I'm not just taking the video. I did help him to shovel it at the end. He carved that driveway. Look at that, he did a good job with that snow thrower. Otherwise it's going to be really hard. If we cannot shovel it this much of snow, and that too my driveway is it's a huge one with a 3-car garage, and it's a bit difficult, but with the snow thrower, of course, it's that is helpful. The roads, the city people, they come and they clean very often, and they also do a good job. Next day morning, we just went for a drive. We just drove through our community. We didn't go anywhere far. It's not advised to go in the snowstorm anywhere. It's better not to drive too far if it's not emergency. Otherwise, everyone, please stay home and stay safe. This one I just went for to take the video. That's it. Okay, I didn't go far. This was only in my community. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I just wanted to show you guys. We had to clean up all these patio furniture. You can see these are these tables with the glass top, so but the snow is it has like more than 2 feet, and it becomes ice afterwards, and because when the temperature goes down, because these days, the temperatures were very low. So we just clean all these patio furnitures. Look at the driveway, it's completely cleaned, and we cleaned all the patio furniture, everything. It's perfect now. Wow, look at that beautiful sunny day morning. It was simply beautiful with that snow and the blue, perfect clear sky. It was amazing to see it. It was unbelievable. This is my backyard. It's a bit a big area, and we have a more than an acre plot, and it's look at that. It's beautiful, right? It's amazing, to see the beauty of this snow. I know it's a bit hard, cleaning wise. Otherwise, it's simply superb, unbelievable. After that sunny day, next day, look at that. Wow, this was the surprise. Next day morning, wow, look at that. This time, all these snow, it got stuck in the trees. You can see it. Oh my God, unbelievable. It was such a coolness to your eyes, and this is the kind of snow I really like it, because so that it's so beautiful to see when all these trees, because the trees don't have any leaves now, and then all these snow when it got stuck in that, and oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at that, unbelievable, right? In February, we had the first week, we had a back to back of snow, like continuously. Oh my God. I think last 5 years we didn't get any, like, because the year before and all we had like very little, maybe 2 inches. So that was nothing. But this year, wow, beautiful. I know it's not easy for most of the people. After all these snow days, we got these icicles hanging from the gutters. We had to actually knock it down, otherwise it's not good for the gutters. You can enjoy the aerial view of our area during this winter time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you liked this video. I will see you soon back with another video. Bye. Take care.